Welcome to Chill English Flow. If you want to learn English in a relaxed and natural way, you're in the right place. My goal is to help you improve your English.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Chill English Flow, the channel where we make learning English natural and easy.
That's right. I'm Jake, and I'm here with Sophia. Thanks for joining us for another episode. Today, we have a super common and useful topic for you.
We do. We're going to talk about making plans for the weekend. This is something you'll talk about all the time with friends and colleagues.
But before we start, if you're enjoying our lessons, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps our channel grow and allows us to create more content for you.
Exactly. Your support means everything. Now, let's get into it. So, Jake, the weekend is almost here. Are you going to do anything exciting?
I am. I'm going to see a concert on Saturday night with some friends. I bought the tickets a month ago, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Oh, that sounds amazing. Who are you going to see?
A band called The Wanderers. They play indie rock. It's going to be a lot of fun. What about you? Do you have any plans?
That sounds great. I think I'll have a more relaxing weekend. I've had a really busy week, so I'll probably just stay home and unwind.
A quiet weekend is sometimes the best kind. Are you going to binge watch any shows?
Definitely. There's a new series I want to start. Maybe I'll order a pizza and just chill on the sofa. On Sunday, I might go for a walk if the weather is nice.
You might have noticed that Sophia and I used going to and will to talk about the future. This is a great time to quickly explain the difference.
Right. We use going to for definite plans we've already made. Jake said, I'm going to see a concert because he already has the tickets.
And we often use will for decisions we make in the moment or for possibilities. Sophia said, I think I'll have a relaxing weekend because it's not a fixed plan, it's what she feels like doing.
Exactly. And I also used might for something that is possible but not certain. I might go for a walk.
And that's our look at how to talk about weekend plans. We hope you found it helpful.
Let us know your plans for the upcoming weekend in the comments below. Try to use going to or will. We'd love to read them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Chill English Flow.
Bye for now.